Good morning, students. So, today we're going to study again mathematics. Okay. But before we proceed to our lesson, what is our lesson yesterday? It's all about relationship between addition and subtraction. Okay. So, welcome to our class. Okay. But before we proceed to our lesson, we have online class rules. Okay. Number one, sit down properly. Again, sit down properly. And number two, watch and listen carefully. Watch and listen carefully. Okay. And number three, prepare your worksheet and workbook. Okay. Prepare your worksheet and workbook. Okay. So you have primary mathematics 1A and primary mathematics 1B. Okay. You have worksheets also. Everybody. Okay. So every student have a worksheet. But this time you're going to prepare your notebook because after our lesson, you're going to copy your worksheets on your notebook. Okay? So, once again, we're going to study mathematics. And once again, this is your teacher June with teacher Mark, your mathematics teacher. Okay? So, our lesson for today is all about continuation of relationship between addition and subtraction. Okay, so what is the relationship between addition and subtraction? Addition and subtraction are the inverse operation of each other. Okay, again, what is the relationship between addition and subtraction? Addition and subtraction are the inverse operation of each other. Okay, so you're going to put simply, this means that they are the opposite. You can undo an addition through subtraction, and you can undo a subtraction through addition. Again, you're going to put simply, this means that they are the opposite. You can undo an addition through subtraction, and you can undo a subtraction through addition. Okay, so what is difference between addition and subtraction? Addition is used to figure out the total of two or more numbers, while subtraction is used to find the difference between two numbers. Okay, again, what is the difference between addition and subtraction? Addition is used to figure out the total of two or more numbers, while subtraction is used to find the difference between two numbers. Okay? So why is addition and subtraction important? Again, why is addition and subtraction important? Okay. Addition and subtraction are used to represent and solve many different kinds of problems. Many different types of problems can be represented by addition or subtraction. Okay, why is addition and subtraction important? Addition and subtraction are used to represent and solve many different kinds of problems. Many different types of problems can be represented by addition or subtraction. Okay, so these are the vocabulary words of addition and subtraction. Addition, so this is the sign of addition and this is the sign of subtraction. Plus, minus, plus, minus, add, add, subtract, subtract, together, together, take away, sum, sum, reference, a difference, difference. So the answer we're going to add the two numbers is called sum, S-U-M. But for the subtraction, we're going to subtract two numbers, so the answer is called difference. Okay. So this is the relationship between addition and subtraction. So you're going to fill in the missing in the family of addition and subtraction fact. Okay, example. So we have example here. So what are they? What is it? Santa Claus and reindeer. So we're going to add and we're going to subtract also. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Correct. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay. 9 minus 4 equals 5. And 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay, so this is an example. Okay, so we're going to practice again. So we're going to review. Because yesterday, we studied this already, okay? So, what are these? Angels and snowman, okay? So, 7 plus 3 equals blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Or 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay. 10 minus 3 equals blank. 10 minus blank equals 7. Okay, next. Number 3 and number 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 6 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. Okay, blank plus 6 equals 9. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9 minus blank equals 6. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. Or 9 minus 6 equals 3. Very good. Next. So another example. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Okay. 3 plus 1 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay. So we're going to practice again. Okay, so this is our lesson yesterday. So we're going to practice again. Okay. So, okay, this one. So we're going to add and we're going to subtract. Okay. 7 plus 2 equals how many? 9. 7 minus 2 equals meaning 5. Correct. Very good. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Okay, next. 5 plus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. After again, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay. 5 plus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Okay. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Correct. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Okay, very good. So we're going to, this is your worksheet. Okay, you're going to copy on your notebook. Okay, so it's all about addition and subtraction. Okay, so we're going to add 2 plus 7 equals how many? 9. Very good. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Correct. 6 plus 2 equals how many? 8. Very good. 2 plus 5 equals what's the answer? 7. Okay, very good. 2 plus 0 equals 2. Number 6. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Okay, correct. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Correct. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, 8 minus 4 equals 4. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Very good. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Very good. So, again, 2 plus 7 equals 9. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Very good. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Okay, correct. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Very good. 3 plus 4 equals how many? 7. Correct. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, students. So if you have any question, you can ask Teacher June. Okay, if you don't know the answer, if you don't know how to subtract or the minus, so you can ask help from Teacher June or Teacher Lee. Okay, so this is our lesson for today. So you're going to get your notebook and you're going to copy and you're going to answer, okay? Goodbye, class.